Hi friends, this is your friend, mentor, guide, Dr. S. Rishikesh Razu. So in this video, we are going to see, Triveni Sangam in Prayagraj. So this is, we are moving from, Yamuna end towards the Triveni Sangam. So here, numerous boats were there. So in each boat, if you see, they are charging depending on the party. So the minimum charge they are doing is 150 rupees per head. That depends on the mutual bargaining between the merchant and the customer. So they are also selling the eatable items for the pigeons and other sea animals, sea birds during the canal itself. So this is one of engine, motored engine flowing over a river. So see, there were many pigeons and the atmosphere and nature is excellent on that day when we visited that Maga Mela, Kumbh Mela, Maga Mela, Kumbh Mela in Prayagraj, and it is the Triveni Sangam. One side, Yamuna Nadi is flowing, and other side, Ganga Nadi is flowing, and under the water, the inner water is Saraswati. So three rivers, three prosperous rivers are, are going in this canal, and it is sunshine. So excellent sunshine. We never see this kind of sunshine over canal or Triveni Sangam. So at evening 5 o'clock it was shooted, and very pleasant, and nature lovers you can enjoy this kind of video. So hope friends you are enjoying this video. So at evening it was shooted. So see the reflection of the sun over the top layer of the water, especially the Yamuna River Canal. This is Yamuna River Canal. From the canal, from the Yamuna River, we are seeing the base, the end, the base end, and we are also seeing Akbar Fort. And now see how the sunshine, how the sunset, how the sunset here is going. So hope this other end, one side we started, this other end we are seeing over the Yamuna River, over the Yamuna Canal. So if you take burgulu and eatable items, if you keep on head, or if you keep on your hand those items, the boats can, the pigeons going to take, and they can experience, you can enjoy this kind of scene. So it is not engined engined boat. It is manual boat. See how the person is putting a force in driving the boat. So manual boat. So this is the end, the base from where we started into the river. So many boats are going to the Triveni Sangam and coming to the base. So see how many pigeons are there. So it is the evening time. So these are the officials. They are monitoring the river. So police and authorized people, they have control over the river, Yamuna River. So hope you are enjoying this video. See the evening time how the river look like. How we are also seeing again how the sunset. It's not sunshine, it's a sunset, evening time. So see how the sun look like. One of the pigeons, some of the pigeons stood on top of us. So you can enjoy this video. So in ancient times, in old times, these are the manual boats the people are using. So we are watching many videos and many pigeons. This is the water, so Yamuna water. So this is especially Maga Mela, Kumbh Mela going on in Prayagraj, so which is also called Allahabad. So I am also going to give that burgulu to the pigeon, but it is waiting. It is hesitating to take. Okay, so you can watch the visuals. So this is manual boat. So you can hope you are enjoying this video and see many pigeons and many birds are traveling in the river. So from the base, we have to start, and we are going to the destination Triveni Sangam. So where Y shape, one side Yamuna river, and other side Ganga river, and inner side Saraswati already there. So three rivers they are combining at one place. There people are leaving some of the coconuts and some of the money. So to get prosperous life, remaining life to be more prosperous, and these are variety of flags and variety of boats.
यमुना इधर से आती है आपको दिल्ली आगरा मथुरा से इलाहाबाद
or we are seeing
गंगा हरिद्वार से उधर से आती है
the nature is very nice, excellent nature, amazing nature we are seeing here. See the floating of water, especially in Yamuna river. So people are definitely going to enjoy this kind of video. So the water that is floating, so how the pigeons are also swimming and floating over the water, all we are watching. So these are variety of birds at other side. So base at one side, at one base. So many boats we are watching in this Yamuna river. So now you are seeing the place that is here Triveni Sangam, the merging of Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati. So this is the official monitoring everything, and the people have to go to the Triveni Sangam, and they are going to leave coconuts, and they can dip 3 or 11 dips, that depending on their this is the place here actually boats were tagged, they were tied, so people have to go to there, and this is the place which is nothing but here Triveni Sangam especially. So hope we are enjoying this video. So see the nature, how amazing the nature is, excellent. Any nature lover definitely like this kind of video. So for me, I was I was amazed, I was inspired by the nature. So on that wonderful evening, so I already told we are going to Triveni Sangam, where we had dips, and we left some of the coconuts. So it is the tradition, and while you are coming from that sea, those are all the stands. So four sticks, we have a base. There are several four sticks with bases. So those are all in the visuals we are seeing, all are bases from so every boat which is going to start from the base will reach that stands. So there people going to make dips, and they will pray the Triveni Sangam. So Triveni Sangam, 3 rivers interconnection, so Yamuna, Ganga and Saraswati, and we are also watching visuals the sunset. So sunset is very excellent. Anyone who is a nature lover definitely enjoy this kind of sunset, and see all the river, Yamuna river, and Triveni Sangam, and the pigeons, the birds, and the stands, the river, the river top layer which is floating, all are amazing. So definitely you are going to enjoy this kind of video. So hope friends like this video, subscribe to my channel, so encourage me, so that in future I will do many better videos. So this Yamuna river is near to Akbar Fort, which is one more pilgrim place. So So these are all the stands. There only we are going to do dips. There only we are going to do dips like 3, 11, like that dips we are going to do. So this is Y shape. So at one end Ganga water will going to come, and other end Yamuna water going to come. In inner already Saraswati going to be generated. So all these three rivers we are seeing at Y shape. So this water is integration of that three rivers. These are the stands. So there people going to stand and they can do dips. They can do dips. So see how the person is hero. The person is here swimming. So so this is at other the base where lights just turned on. So that lights focus reflecting on the Yamuna river top layer. So definitely you are going to enjoy this kind of video. I think this is one of the finest and the rarest videos you are watching in your life. So definitely you are going to like this video. So hope you are going to like this video and subscribe to my channel and forward this video to your friends who are in your circle. So encourage me and do much more subscribers to me. So which is going to boost me to do new and more better videos. So see how pigeons are swimming and floating on the water, and this is the water floating water floating in the Yamuna river. So see the birds and the pigeons in the Yamuna river. So actually we returned from that Triveni Sangam and we are moving towards the base where we started. While you are returning from the Triveni Sangam, we need to light the lamp, and we need to show the flowers over it, and we need to pray the desires so that it will going to happen. We will see. Actually, I also inner side prayed for a desire. So we'll see. So this is we are moving towards the base where we started. So this is the return journey from Triveni Sangam towards the base. So I hope you are enjoying this video. See how the pigeons are enjoying and floating over the top of the Yamuna river. See so the pigeons are here. You are definitely going to enjoy their flies, their fly and their actions and their imitations, and see plenty and numerous pigeons, birds are they are flying and floating over the water. So hope friends enjoy. I hope you are enjoying this video. So definitely I hope you are going to like this video, because it is one of the best videos you are watching. So nowadays, so it is Magh Mela, Kumbh Mela, so which is Yamuna River base in Prayagraj, which is also called Allahabad. Old city is Allahabad, and the Naya name of is the Prayagraj. So Prayagraj is also a junction. So in which there were many variants of stations are there that are going to discuss in coming video, especially when you are discussing about the capacity of railway station and the appearance of the railway station of Prayagraj. So this is the divider they made. So for going and returning, so that side we are going and this side we are returning. So hope you are enjoying this video. So see how the divider, how much length the divider is, and we are also seeing the bridge in previous visuals. So this is Yamuna river, and now we are moving and returning to the base where we started. So this is the base, and we are going to the point where we started. So hope Friends, like this video, so subscribe to my channel. So just the lights are turned on, so they started turning on. In previous videos also we seen lights are turned on. See how the reflection of light over the Yamuna river, so dazzling, so shining, the water of Yamuna river is shining. So which is, nature lovers definitely can enjoy this kind of visuals and the video. So this is Akbar fort, which is also one of the pilgrim place. So excellent fort. So this is Mega Mela, Kumbh Mela. So see how the facilities and how the nature and the Yamuna river is looking. Definitely you are enjoying this video. So this is the base. So base of one base of Yamuna river, from where people started to boat from the base to the Triveni Sangam.